Hi, I'm Trisha G. I'm a Java champion, author, and general opinionated person.
Hello, my name is Danny Dick. I'm a professor of computer science at the University of Colorado.
My name is Annie Vella. I'm a distinguished engineer at Westpac, New Zealand.
Hello, I'm Danilo Sato. I'm the Global VP of AI here at Thoughtworks.
I'm Joshua Kuryevsky. I'm now calling myself the Chief Vibe Officer of Industrial Logic as a joke.
It's been amazing to be with these really influential people who have interesting experiences, sometimes conflicting experiences and different ideas. And it's just given me a lot to sort of think about and digest and kind of work through for the next weeks.
Yeah, this has been an incredible event. Amazing people here just at the forefront of AI and software development. Met all kinds of wonderful new people that I've gotten to know for the first time, and lots of folks I have known for years. It's been amazing to just learn about what everyone's doing, where the industry's going. Probably some of the biggest insights for me are about how the future is going to be so different when it comes to coding. What the systems will do in the future where we might not be so reliant on coding. Others are talking about how it's all going back to what we already know we need to be doing, which is working in small batches and managing risk and creating tracer bullets through large systems and killing off silos and lots of the problems that plague our industry. So it's a wild future, and yeah, it's been a great event.
Coming at this event gave me a new boost of energy when people are asking what's the future of our field, what's the importance of having clean code, what's the importance of writing good designs and maintaining and evolving that. It's super important. So I'm leaving from this event with a renewed sense of optimism, with an agenda that in the next 26 years down the road, we are not going to be decommissioned. We'll adapt, we'll drastically change the way how we think about software and the role of the tools, but we are still going to have a bright future ahead of us. And the future is bright because of the community.
I'm so incredibly grateful to have been invited and to have been able to spend these last 2 days with such an amazing group of people who are all trying to work through this very interesting time with a lot of challenges and a lot of uncertainty. I think that's what I'm taking away from these last few days, is that none of us have this figured out. We're all trying to work it out, and that it's important that we keep talking, because that's how we'll land on some good ideas. I think there's also so much potential and a lot of change to come. And by the same token, there's a lot of people who are feeling quite unsettled about what the future might bring. So I really want that this group of people and their peers keep that in mind as we move forward, and take those who are maybe more skeptical or more nervous about the change on the journey with us, that we get better at describing what tomorrow's problems are so that they know how they can contribute to solving those, and that we find a way forward together. There's so much to be done and lots of great minds behind it.
We had a good discussion about people talking about spec-driven development and what is going to be the future of code, or do we still need to care about code or care about code quality? And some of the interesting insights about actually what the spec is not actually well defined, and the term is evolving, and it right now means lots of different things to different people. So this is one key takeaway for to look more about how can we better define what's in a spec, the different things that it should go, how do we manage them.
I think that the future is bright if we want it to be.
I think the future is bright for us as a profession, because we need to learn to use the new tools, but it's going to be very interesting.
The future is going to be bright because of us together. We can go a lot further than we can go in isolation. So I'm grateful for Thoughtworks. This was an amazing event, very well planned, and I highly encourage others in the future to check out similar sessions that I might conduct in the future.